This, oh, that almost hit my face. This is a Hello Kitty mystery box. I have no clue what's in here. I got it from Temu. This is $6.94 for this mystery box. I don't know what it is. It just says small commodity set. You could choose from different ones from Hello Kitty. I think you could choose from, oh my god, what's their names? Cinnamon Roll. You could have chose from My Melody. Like, they had different little Sanrio characters on it that you could have chose. I just chose the really pretty Hello Kitty one. It is sealed, see? Right there, it's sealed. I had so many fond memories as a little girl, like late 90s, early 2000s, going into the Sanrio store where you would get the little mystery bags, and they were like at the checkout, and they were like $1 or $2 maybe, and they would come with like cute little trinkets. Like you would get like a pencil, a pen, an eraser, like some stickers, like some, you know, very cute novelties from Sanrio or Hello Kitty. And ever since then I've been obsessed. I don't know if you saw my last Temu haul, but I got so much stuff from Hello Kitty. Like, I know 30-year-old me shouldn't be obsessed with Hello Kitty, but I love it. I love it, okay? Let me live. Let me live a little. Let me live my childhood dreams. So I'm gonna open this mystery box with you together. So if you like these types of videos, unboxings, clothing hauls, beauty stuff, go ahead and subscribe and like the video before you leave. And let's get into that video. Okay, so let's see what is in here. Okay, this is what you get when you open it up. You get a bag. So let's actually see what, oh, $6. This is adorable. It was $6.90 something. Oh my god, you get a My Melody little bag where you can put all your trinkets and stuff. It's actually pretty, like, it's pretty durable. Like, it's a pencil case, you know? And a pencil pouch. Look at how cute. It has My Melody over, it has a little mouse. It has some candies. Oh my god, it has biscuits. It has biscuits on there. Those are little biscuits. Oh, that is so cute. I never thought I would say biscuits on this channel. Biscuits and gravy? Damn, that's good. Okay, let's go to the next one. I don't want to see. I'm just gonna grab. We're gonna be surprised together. Okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? You know? Is it tape? Feels like tape. Is it tape? Oh, they're little cinnamon roll stickers. Oh my god, I just started junk journaling. Junk journaling. That is hard to say. Like 2 months ago. This is gonna be perfect for my junk journal. It's little cinnamon roll stickers. Look. Do you see the cinnamon roll stickers? Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Look at the stickers. Oh, they're so tiny. They're so cute. Okay, I love this so far. I love it. They're so cute, the little cinnamon roll stickers. I'm gonna put everything in the bag that they gave me. I'm gonna put everything in My Melody bag. So we got the bag and we got the stickers. So we got 2 items so far. Remember, this was $6.90 something. $7, okay, $7. It was free shipping too because it came with Temu. It's a little My Melody notebook. Wait, did I get everything? No, I'm pretty sure I didn't choose anything. It's a little My Melody notebook. Look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, it's just a blank notebook, okay? But like, it has My Melody on it and it has a little mouse. This is a perfect little notebook for your purse if you want to write any notes down, you're brainstorming YouTube ideas for today, which is what I do. Film this. You need to file something, you know? Oh, that's so cute. So we got 3 items for $6.97 so far. So we got the stickers, we got the little notebook, and I got the My Melody pouch. Okay. What is this? What is this? Do you see it? Do you see it? No, is it blurry? There's cinnamon roll stickers. Oh, little cinnamon roll stickers. That is so cute. Of course, I'm gonna use this in my junk. I'm gonna do a cinnamon roll My Melody Hello Kitty junk journal, like 1 page. Oh, I'm so gonna do that. Oh my god, how cute. Got 3 items, well 4 if you count the stickers. What's under here? Oh, I pulled 2 stuff out. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a pouch. This is for your cards. So I got a card pouch. So that's a pouch. It's like a Hello Kitty little ID, but you put your cards in it. You can put your ID, your credit card. So if you want to carry this around and like protect your cards, that is so cute. Okay, so I got a little card protector. So we got 1, 2, 3, we got 4, 5. Number 6 is just a little My Melody activity. No, wait, cinnamon roll? Wait, no. I always forget her. It's a little activity, so you get to punch these out and they become like little people. Like you can literally, hold on. Let's do this. And then I'm gonna put this in my junk journal after because this is a perfect like little Hello Kitty cardboard, right? But you get to decorate it, like you get to put a little bow in her. So I'll take off the bow. I put the little bow in her, and then you can put her on a pedestal. Which one is she? She's on this one. You can put her on a pedestal. See? And so you just, it's like a little game. It's so cute. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here still. Holy crap, this is worth the $6.97. This is Kuromi. It's like Kuromi. Hello, focus. We got a Kuromi ruler. You can measure stuff. How cute. Stop looking. Oh, this is just a bag. It's just a little Hello Kitty bag. You can put some goodies in it, or I don't know, you can take some with you. So it's just a little Hello Kitty bag. So what are we on? 7? Are we on 8? I think we're on 8. I gave up on trying to look. I'm just gonna show you guys because this is a lot more stuff than I thought. We got 9, 10, 11, so we got more Tsunami stickers. I think this was like a pack. We got a pack right here. So we got these stickers. Oh, how cute. We got these stickers on a star. And then we got these stickers. Did I already show you this one? I don't think so. Then we got this one. Oh, wait. He's on a broom. He's on a broom. She's on a broom. I don't know what number we're at. Are we at 10, 11, 12, maybe? Got Hello Kitty sticky notes. They're so precious. They're so precious. Oh my. I got another little activity cardboard thing, but this one is that one. I don't think that's cinnamon roll, right? No, that's not cinnamon roll. It's tricking me. I don't know what that is. Let me know in the comments. I know you're gonna tell me. I got 2 empty bags. 2 empty bags. For what? I don't know. Maybe we could put like earrings or rings when we're traveling. So I got 2 of them. 2 little Hello Kitty bow bags. I got this, which is, it's Pachaco. It's a bag for Pachaco. This is so cute. Look, it's another bag. I really like bags. Wait, it has a sticky though. This one right here, you can take off the sticky and you can fold it over. That is adorable. I think I will use this for my junk journal though. Definitely on my junk journal. I'll cut it out, make it super cute. Look at that. This little butt out. This little thingy is $6.97. I mean, I know it's a lot of like junk stuff, but like to me it makes me so happy. This literally makes me so happy. I got 2 pens. Ooh, one for you, one for me. I got a Kuromi pen. So I got Kuromi pen. Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. Do you guys remember that? You remember. I know you remember. Okay, we got a little pin button thing of cinnamon roll. It's so cute. Look at it. It is a pen, so you can go ahead and pin it to whatever you need to, but that is adorable. That is adorable. That little pen is adorable. Got more stickers. This little one, this little yellow one, I always forget the name. Oh, adorable. Okay, I got a Kuromi. Oh, a little Kuromi notepad. Look, Kuromi. This one is adorable, and it is a notepad. Just a regular lined notepad. Last but not least, I got a mask. I got a mask. Believe it or not, I have used masks this year, okay? Going to the doctors, hospitals, etc. These will come in. I will be the cutest person with the cutest mask on earth. It has the cutest mask ever. Okay, so this is a lot. So there's 1, 2, I'm gonna count these. We're gonna count them. 2, and I count the bag as 3 and the sticker pack as 4. Because that's a lot of stickers. 5, I'm gonna count these together. 6 for the Kuromi notepad. 7 for the My Melody notepad. 8 for this beautiful yellow sticker pad. 8. 9 for the ruler. 10 for the pouch. I'm gonna count these as 1, the little activities. 10, 11, ID holder, 12, sticky note, 13, the button, 14, and the sticker, 15. It has some of the activities that fell out. Oh, and then 15, 16, 17 for the pens. 17 items. I don't even know how to put. Stay. That's crazy. 17 items for $6.97. Wow. If they have it and you love Hello Kitty, if you have a kid or a child or you know someone who's obsessed or you have a birthday coming up, like this is so cute. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god, someone who loves junk journaling would actually, well, they have to like Hello Kitty, but they would love this because they could still use this for junk journaling too. Oh, adorable. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I did not think this video was gonna be this long. I thought we were just gonna get like 3 items and call it a day, and I'm so happy. I am astonished. I am shocked. I am out of words. Actually, I said a lot of words, didn't I? I am shocked of how good this mystery box was. Like, I am surprised of how good it was for $6.97. Let me know what you thought of the mystery box. Was it worth $6.90 something cents, $7? Was it worth $7? It came with free shipping because it was included in Temu, whatever. So it came with free shipping for $7. That's crazy. That's crazy. That would make someone stay. It really, really would. I wanna buy different ones. What if I buy the other characters? Do you think it'll be different? And then we can make it a series on this channel. And it's not a lot of money for me. Like, my head is ticking. It's typing away. Saving files. That's how my head is. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Am I weirding you out? Okay, subscribe to my channel because I'm a weird, crazy nutcase here. And we love it. We love unboxings, clothing hauls, beauty stuff. I am all there is for you. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and click the little notification bell so you be notified up on my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you in the comments.